Alright, hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to do this little video on the Nissan driver seats. Apparently this is a common problem and the dealership wants to replace the seat rail. If you're in your Nissan or Infiniti and your seat starts to do the rock forward, take apart the trim. And this only applies to the driver's seat, the power seat. Take apart the trim, and if we look right there at that hole, we're missing a bolt. Right there. And I'll rock the seat so you can see. See? That bolt hole's moving. The bolt fell out, and it was underneath the seat. And as you can see, they put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. So I'm going to put a little bit of red Loctite on there, and we're going to torque it down, and we're going to see if this seat moves. I'm going to show you the motion again. And look at how bad that seat's rocking. The whole thing moves. Let's get that bolt in there with a little bit of Loctite and see if it fixes it. Okay, as you can see, we got the bolt back in there. And now let's push down on the chair and see. Nothing. Rock solid. So there you go. Do not replace your entire driver's seat before checking that little bolt on the driver's side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.